Okay, this is part 2 of the keys 1 part for Even When It Hurts by Hillsong United. Again, like I said in the first video, I had recorded a much simpler, it's not much simpler, but a simpler version of this on the fly. But this is how the part really goes. So basically what you're doing with the left hand is you're following the bass notes of what's on the lead sheet. So it varies a little bit differently than what I showed you in the first video. But basically you can cheat on this. If this is really hard for you, just come up with one pattern and just repeat that over and over again. And you can check out that video if you would like, but this is how it really goes. So I'm going to show you just like one time through the whole thing, and then I'll tell you when it ends and that it repeats, okay? So that is one time through the whole thing. That's through the whole chord progression that's in the instrumental, and then that repeats through the bridge. So what I just played is what plays right before she starts singing. So then it starts all over again. So that you can see, more closely, I'll play it a little slower. From the very beginning. So check out the lead sheet. The best thing that I can, it's kind of hard to describe like what exactly it's doing. It variations a little bit in the song, and if you want to learn exactly what they're playing, you absolutely can, but this is the basic gist of what it is. That pattern is what you hear from like a lead line perspective, and then on the bottom it's just following the chord changes that are on the lead sheet. So learn the bass walks, that's probably the most important part, and then just practice it like with dynamics on that, and then whenever it comes back in with the tag, keys 2 really takes over there with that big lead line. But again, I would learn the chords for that and just play the chord changes for that, because that part is really, really big and we need everybody playing as big as possible. So just learn the chord changes for that part, and then refer back to the first video that I made for that last that outro of the song and how many times you need to repeat that and stuff like that. Okay.